Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about the etiquette of drinking Japanese sake. To fully enjoy the deliciousness and flavors of sake, there are several manners to keep in mind. Let's get right into it. 1. Temperature selection. Firstly, let's talk about choosing the temperature of the sake. Sake can be enjoyed at 4 different temperature ranges: chilled, room temperature, lukewarm, and warm. Chilled sake offers a refreshing taste, while at room temperature, the flavors of the sake expand. Lukewarm sake has a mellow taste, and warm sake brings out deep aromas and flavors. 2. Handling the sake cup. Choko. Next, let's discuss how to handle the sake cup, also known as a choko. Since the choko is a small vessel, it is commonly held with one hand while lightly supporting the bottom with the other hand. It's best to drink the sake in one sip. 3. Pouring sake. When pouring sake for others, try to refill their cup before it becomes empty. Tilt the choko slightly while pouring to ensure a smooth flow. Aim to pour diagonally, avoiding the other person's face or line of sight. 4. Toasting and greetings. Before making a toast, it's nice to add a few words. For example, say, Gochisousama, desu, or Otsukaresama desu, while raising your cup. Also, when someone pours sake for you or when you pour sake for others, remember to give a light bow or a small gesture of gratitude. 5. Drinking in moderation. Lastly, be mindful not to drink excessively. As sake has a high alcohol content, it's important to consume it in moderation. Cherish pleasant conversations with those around you, and maintain a moderate drinking style. So, we've introduced the etiquette of drinking sake. Enjoy your sake at the appropriate temperature, savor the flavors in a small choko, and pay attention to how you pour for others and the words you say during toasts. Remember to drink responsibly and savor the deliciousness of Japanese sake. Stay tuned for more in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.